If the numerator of a fraction is half and its denominator is double, the resulting fraction is equal to the original. So we have four options. Here is the solution. Let the original fraction be n over d. And let us now apply the changes. Based on the given problem, the numerator is half, so that is n over 2, and the denominator is doubled, so that is 2d. So the new fraction is n over 2 divided by 2d. And let us now simplify this by applying the rules in dividing fractions. Copy n over 2 and take the reciprocal of 2d, and that is 1 over 2d, and proceed to multiplication. And that becomes n over 4d. Or simply, that is 1/4 times n over d. And n over d is our original fraction. So our answer is letter C.